Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Check out your new truck. This is a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab 4x4. This has just over 192,000 kilometers on it. It is in incredible condition and it is value priced, just waiting for its next owner here at Ontario Motor Sales. Now we're going to take you on a tour as if you were here with us on the lot so you can see the great condition of this Sierra, plus see all the features that you're going to get. I mean, it really is a great find. Now, underneath the hood, this Sierra features the 4.3 liter Ecotec V6 engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It is 4x4 as well, and it has the trailering package, the convenience package, and the appearance package. So it's really, really well equipped. You can see from the side profile here, it is the full crew cab, so you can fit 6 adult passengers inside. It does have the bench seat in front. Now, we've got these great looking alloy wheels up front, good looking tires on here as well, the 4x4 badge in the side of the fender here, and then the Sierra logo with the side steps to help the little ones get into the back. Now, I mentioned it has the trailering package. You can tow over 7,000 pounds with this Sierra. So if you've got some toys, or maybe you are in contracting or something like that, you got a trailer behind you need to pull, it's gonna be able to handle that job no problem. Around the back end, we do have the step up bumper, nice chrome bumper as well. No dents on the bumper. Usually you see a ton of dents on these chrome bumpers, but this one is in great shape. Tow hitch receiver with the integrated trailer brake controller as well. Like I said, this is ready to tow. And we have the tonneau cover on top. Nice accessory added from the previous owner. In the back, we have the spray-in bed liner. All right, some tie-down hooks in here. It's also on the back of the tailgate. So this is, again, just ready to go for all kinds of work that you'd like to throw at it. Coming around the passenger side, just so you can see all 4 corners of this Sierra. It's in really nice shape. It's a nice color too. This brilliant silver really does a nice job on the Sierra. Now coming up front, great looking LED daytime running lights. Got the HID headlights here as well. And then that nice big huge GMC front grille. We have some recovery hooks down here as well. So if you want to be a really nice good Samaritan and help some people out if they get trapped in the ditch in the wintertime, go ahead and do that. Be a good Samaritan, why not? All right, now let's go take a look in the back and then we'll hop into the front. So back seat here, cloth seating, bench seat, nice condition. This is a non-smoker vehicle. Center armrest here that folds down. This also features the vinyl floors too, so this is obviously very easy to keep clean and maintain in the back and in the front. And then as I mentioned here in the front, we have the bench seat with that nice big center armrest that folds down. I'll show you that in just a second. Height adjustable driver's seat, that vinyl flooring. And then we've got this nice big armrest here that folds down, but if you need the extra seat, it just flips up and then you've got 6 passengers in your Sierra, which is pretty sharp. Now hopping in. All right, so up front, cruise control on the wheel. We have automatic headlights here. I have them on just so I could show you the headlights. Our integrated trailer brake controller is here as well. And then in the odometer, 192,866 K. Still lots of life left on this, absolutely. Give you a little look around here from the driver's perspective. We have the trailer tow mode on the gear selector. Our infotainment system here does have the phone projection, great audio system, rear view camera as well. And then our heating and air conditioning controls are here. And then we have the 4 on the floor. So we have the 4x4 gear selector on the floor, which I quite like. I think that's, kind of the traditional truck thing. And there's nothing more satisfying than, kind of putting it into 4-wheel drive manually rather than the button. I don't know, call me old school, but I remember going up to the cottage and having to do that, and I thought that was so much fun. In the center armrest, some USB ports here, 12-volt charging port as well. And then last but not least, let's have a look at the file for this. So here is the build sheet that we were able to obtain, so you can go and see all of the options that are on this Sierra. This is in this file, and then we have the Carfax here. So 1 owner vehicle, 30 service records on this, which is incredible. So, I mean, it's nice to know that the maintenance has all been done on this. Now, there's 2 small collisions on the Sierra, one in 2019. You can see here, minor damage to the rear, totaling $2,000. And then in September 2022, another thing, minor damage to the left front, showing $3,000. So in total, just a little over $5,000, but that includes HST, labor, parts, everything else. And if you've ever been in a collision, you know that it's not cheap just to enter the body shop. So that small little Carfax is there, nothing to be concerned about. The only thing you need to be worried about is, can you make it to Ontario Motor Sales before this is gone? Well, the good news is you can reserve this truck online on our website and then make your way down here, or just hop in the car and come visit us at Ontario Motor Sales right here in the heart of Oshawa, so you can get behind the wheel of this really, really fantastic 2018 GMC Sierra. Thank you so much for watching, and congratulations to whoever picks up this great truck.